Baking soda.
Pure Cascade soap.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Soap.
It make us hair.
And
It's a
more
volcano.
soap.
So you put it on one at a time, or you gotta mix it?
Right now, he's sitting inside the oil,
Yeah, I smell the peppermint,
the soap,
the Dawn.
the water, and now I have to add
Vinegar.
the vinegar.
Nah, this is a mistake.
Yeah. It help get all the dirt out though, don't it?
Yeah,
Ah, that stinks.
I want to make sure getting all your dread. I don't want to use
But
it
it's
all.
not gonna make your hair smell like it.
Nope.
It's
You
just
hear it
gonna-
sizzle?
Uh-huh.
Now when I add the
Clean
baking
it.
soda, you're going to hear it foam a little bit.
Yeah.
You ready?
Could you make it into a volcano?
Look like some funnel cake fries.
Yeah.
Better cook up some funnel cake fries.
Try to get all the lint out of it.
Funnel cake.
And he do this every 2 months.
Every 2 months.
Every 2 months, I get him together. But I twist his hair every 2 weeks. Literally, like every 2 weeks.
LJ, you want your dreads to be long, or you like them this length? Or you want them to grow some more?
Long.
You want them long down your back?
Uh-huh.
They gonna get there by the time you're a teenager.
Other side,
Might probably use.
gotta get the
They
back.
gonna get there.
See the back? It's always hard to get the back. So what I do, gotta hold the box back a little bit and just shake. Just shake. Like put some in your hand too. This stuff's some right there.
So is this gonna sit on his hair?
It's gonna foam off when I put some more vinegar on it and water on it, because I don't want his hair to stink. And that's the main problem with dreads. They mold a lot, so you gotta make sure you get every side of it. Put it back there.
Alrighty. We'll see you after it's washed.
Yep. We got another strip. Gonna let it sit for 45 minutes.
Hey, you gotta take a nap up there.
You need a cell phone or something. Add a little bit more vinegar to it. See it?
Foaming up.
It's gonna foam up. And you gotta sit in this 45 minutes. It's gonna get real dirty. It's gonna get real dirty.
Your neck hurt.
Ew, guys.
Good old brown water. Ooh, your hair was dirty, boy. Yee. Now what?
Now I'm about to shampoo it.
Alrighty. Shampoo it up. You got the muscles out like that? That's what we doing? How you gonna style his hair?
I don't know. I'm gonna go off the fly.
You don't know yet?
Nope.
You nervous, LJ?
Right now, I'm just greasing it up.
You think you gonna like it? Yeah. All right, show me your muscles. Let me see one time. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see your muscles. All right, we go see. Gotta moisten it up. It's growing. I gotta do it before and after so they can see what you look like before you had dreads. He used to have braids.
This hair's still wet.
Yeah.
Speedo.
See?
Speedo.
Looking real crispy.
Real crispy.
Real crispy. Super hang time. So we'll be back, guys.
Almost done. A little bit left at the top.
Almost haven't even
You
styled
excited?
I haven't even styled it yet.
Don't even need it. This is style by itself. The little 2-strand twist. Naked boy back there.
Alright, stay still. I got the red. Got the blue. Got the gold.
Can you see me or yourself?